Okay, we have 3 fittings today, so I'm showing you the bases of them all. You can see there's a poly silk on the perimeter, and it actually goes into this area here where the particular client, he goes sea swimming, so he uses tape here and it's a lace at the front. Quite an unusual design. I'll just quickly put the attachment so you can just see how good the hairline is. Pretty much what we're known for, Hair for London. Just a little bit of tape at the front. Holding that, there we go. Graduated hairline, no bleach knots, match the skin colour, lighten the root 2mm of the last hair, and expert knotting. Okay, so that's the first one. Roll that off gently. Second one today. It's a new system fitting. You can see poly silk band around the perimeter and the lace at the front, poly band for adhesive tape. You can put anything on the poly band, and the bit here just gives that extra security. Right, again, let's do a quick attachment. So you can all see the quality work. I'm going to do this pretty much daily with fittings, because everyone's got to be reminded that hair systems should look natural, otherwise there's no point wearing them. Right, let's see if I can do this one gently. I've got a bit of hair caught there. There we go. For the fitting, you can see just how good that looks. I actually use this for a concert on Saturday as well. So this client's done well for me. So every time anyone comes in for a consultation, I always attach a system to the forehead. Even if you've got hair here, I attach it there and go over and then brush the hair back without it being cut. Okay. Last fitting of today. 3 fittings for Troy today. That's an all lace. Now with this one I've done extra light around here. This client wants to wear pretty much daily, so he's going to use a daily tape to remove it, but because he's going really short on the finished look, extra light around this area. I could have this system. It's so grey. Touch it again. This is a basic attachment. Most systems come in 6 inches long, unless it's ladies. So an uncut system. So I've just put 3 systems on the block. I haven't really checked them. Brush the hair back, and you can see just how good they look. Bad hair systems cannot look this good uncut. Amazing craftsmanship.